Hi, I'm Tim Papadopoulos, ISAPS Treasurer. I wanted to invite you as the co-chair to the first ever ISAPS Non-Surgical Symposium held over 2 days at the ISAPS World Congress in Istanbul on September 23-24 this year. I believe this event will quickly become the leading multi-specialty forum addressing both the science, practice and technique of aesthetic medicine. With a stellar faculty featuring some of the foremost researchers, educators and practitioners in this field, this event provides cutting-edge content to advance your knowledge, enhance your skills and techniques, and improve your outcomes. I'll be giving a keynote speech on Our Face from Fish to Man, highlighting the important milestones of the evolution of our face, and another presentation on talking about my regeneration, which is all about the latest revolutionary concepts in regenerative medicine and life hacks that you can implement today to increase both your health span and lifespan. I promise you, this is something you don't want to miss out on. So please join us for these dynamic lectures delivered by experts at the forefront of their professions in the fields of plastic surgery and dermatology. Hope to see you soon in wonderful, exotic Istanbul. Bye for now.